Hey everyone, my name is Jacob Vollmer. I am a roofing contractor, owner of Byrd Roofing in Wake Forest, North Carolina, helping the Byrd family. Just going to be doing a little repair right here just to demonstrate the repairability or non-repairability of the shingle that we have on this roof. I have the same shingle, brand new out of the packet. Going to go ahead and replace the spot. This has been covered by USAA, and the conversation was that this goes underneath a couple courses of shingles here. So several courses are going to need to be removed and replaced. So I'm just going to go ahead and mimic that in this spot here. I'm going to remove, where are you at? This shingle here. It starts here and finishes here. And so I'm going to remove this shingle and replace it, as this is one of at least this course, if not this course as well, is going to have to be removed to get this rubber out. So we're going to take this out here, and I'm going to look for any resulting damage from the repair on the shingle above. This shingle, the nails have to be removed not only here, but on the course above. Mainly looking at this section here, and I've purposely chosen this just because it's fairly clean. You got regular glaring loss. We're not going to choose to replace a shingle underneath this because there's obvious just wear and tear here. However, this shingle is very clean. There's one little spot as we come down here that I want to acknowledge, just like a couple of lines of granular loss. Nothing problematic at all, but I just want to acknowledge that this is kind of pre-repair right here, just this and this. Outside of that, this is a clean shingle and good enough by my standards. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this little repair, and I'll be back in a jiffy. That's good. Cool. Let me work this way so you can see how I operate. Really start to get me. This is tough to get through here. It's really held on pretty tight here. Just doing my darndest to just not blow right through it. So far, so good. Anytime you've got a really tight seal on a architectural shingle like this, you gotta go really slow when you're peeling it through. Good amount of pressure is needed, but you just gotta go nice and slow in order to not have your tool blow right through it. Just takes a little bit of doing, though. Come on, baby. It's not wanting to work with me here for some reason. There we go. It's a little bit better. Delicious. Ah! Whew. This is rough. I promise it's not usually this hard. I promise. We're almost there. Oh gosh, what has happened? Okay. So this is a bit of a mess. All good. We're gonna get it all sealed when I'm finished. This is just gonna go to illustrate what I'm trying to show with this specific type of shingle. There we go. That was like easier, like it should be. hopefully you can see this. I'll give you a little bit of, give you a little turn here. So I go down here. Okay, that's coming up a little bit easier. Okay, so again, I am replacing this shingle right here. Just got to get up into this area, okay? And, oh, my mistake. I'm replacing the shingle below, okay? I'm replacing this shingle down here. But to get this shingle out, I've got to I have to unglue this shingle here, and this shingle to get at this course of nails that's holding in the top of the shingle. So, one more to do. You always start above so that this peel off is a little bit easier. Oof, that was not good. This shingle underneath is going to be replaced, so I'm not as concerned about damaging the one below, because these will obviously get the bottom course will get replaced. It's this shingle right here, this third course, that I'm concerned about damaging. If that shingle gets damaged, we've got to replace it. And then by replacing that shingle, we have to get into the shingle above that. And if that shingle gets damaged, we got to replace the shingle above that. You can see where I'm going with this. Okay, here's our shingle we're replacing. Now to get the nails out. We've got 2 courses of nails to get. One more over here. And one more course to get out. It's gonna be right here. This shingle got all buggered up underneath. I'm gonna make sure to show this. When I get the new shingle in, I'm gonna bring you in up close to show how the upper portion of the shingle did not want to let go. And it is so tough. This is something, you know, I'm glad Michael asked me to come back out and do a repair this way, just because, I mean, quite honestly, the one that I did before didn't quite demonstrate what would happen at, oh, y'all aren't even looking at me. My mistake. Here we go. I was saying that this shingle that I'm replacing really got into the one above. Just because I had to lift this course to get this nails. You'll see in a second, I'll bring you over and you'll see how it all got tore and the mat underneath ripped this shingle apart. You'll see that in a second. I was saying I was glad Michael asked me to come out. Well, not asked, but like as our discussion developed, it became apparent to me that I needed to demonstrate repairability here at this spot, because over here by the box vent, all I did was slip the box vent out and put it right back in. I didn't show taking a shingle out, throwing it away, putting a new shingle back, which is what will happen at this location, and then likely also over at the metal location where we repair over there. Okay, a few more nails. I'll get back to it. Here, I'll make sure y'all are still recording. That would not be good. Oh yeah, okay, good. This is the last one. Sometimes there's a hidden nail underneath that needs to be grabbed. Check there. So this just slips out of it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I mean, again, not super concerned about the shingle on the bottom, but this demonstrates what's above and hidden here. I'm about to show you what's underneath this shingle. This shingle just did not want to let go. This shingle has glued well to the surrounding shingle. It's the sealant that comes out the packet has done a good job bonding, almost too good of a job in a sense of repairability, because any pull can cause issues like this. And I'll show you more in just a second. So we're just gonna kind of rip this off to be able to get that shingle out. So obvious issues there. I'm about to slide a new shingle in, obviously. That guy right there. But let's look at this, okay? So up here, by actually getting my tool in here and just sliding it down, that mat, this on the other side, this where it laminates together and where it connects with the other shingles, did not want to let go. And well, this is obvious enough. This right here has come undone. This shingle, like the plan would be to not replace this shingle. We're leaving this. We're just replacing the bottom one here and up. If we kind of started to take this apart, we'd only see that this rubber membrane may come up to about right here. So there's no need to remove the shingle, 2 courses of shingles. So this shingle would ideally stay, okay? But the problem with that is that this shingle is so compromised at this point. Look at this, look at this. Ooh, what is that? That's underlayment underneath where water can get to. This is not supposed to be open at all. This shingle is completely delaminated in this spot, and this can actually come apart. This bottom mat can eventually slip over time, and I'm sure many people at USA have seen that. Roofers call in wind damage. It's not. It's just the shingle has come delaminated because of poor installation. That's what can happen here in a situation like that. So let's put the new shingle in, and then we'll just kind of see if there's any creasing at all. I pointed out the problems underneath. This is a nice little match here. The problems underneath, however, we'll see if there's any glaring issues on the top outside of that one little spot I pointed out. All right, where we're going right here. Let's get that lined up. And then we're going to do the level above that. Ooh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's check it out. As we come over here, first is I'm not looking at the shingle, I'm looking at my video just so I can see what you're going to be seeing. We see creasing here on both of these teeth. I call them teeth. Oop, sorry about that. We got the problems underneath. Okay, where am I at? Here, bang, bang. Here's a little hole. I can go see straight to the underlayment there. That's not great. And then over here, we have a crease that's forming here. I'm not gonna lift this much. This is like completely shattered through here. And then obviously here as well. This guy, again, I pointed out this is not from my repair. This was previous to me. As far as creasing on the top of this one held okay. It's this one that really struggled. When I pried this up and lifted it, it caused this creasing and then the numerous problems underneath. So this is not gonna be able to glue back, okay? There's supposed to be like a glue strip here to allow it to glue back. That's no longer there. Oh, this has come free. That's not good either. I'm gonna come in with my sealant and seal all of this back. I'm gonna go a little overboard. This is a nice premium product. Gonna go a little overboard here to make sure that this is sealed back as best as I can make it, so that this will not leak in this spot. But as far as repairability goes, this feels pretty cut and dry to me. It's in my professional opinion that it is not repairable, and I hope you take this video into consideration. And of course, you can reach me at any time. I'm happy to discuss this as needed. Again, my name's Jacob, and you can call me 919-741-8783. My email address is skybirdroof@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Have a good day.